Happy Thursday, everyone. My name is Jeff. I am with the Stream Machines, where we take our YouTube channel, where we take the difficult things of streaming and help you one video at a time. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add one of the most safest and secure VPNs that the internet has to offer. It's called private internet access, and I'm going to show you how to do it from the Google Play Store. Now, thank you for being here, and you can give me a thumbs up at the end of the video. As we go into the video, most people know what a virtual private network is. It's not a one-all, be-all answer. It does a lot of different things. But today, for some of my customers who might be a little technically challenged, I just want to make this video, and I needed to redo it because I put it on YouTube and one half of it is silent because I had turned off the microphone. Now, I use private internet access because they're safe, they're secure, and on their website you can see that they have a downloadable PDF where they pass one of the most hardest tests to show that they don't do any logs. It's open source. It's very private. It's very affordable. It's about $35 a year, I think, for 10 devices, and it works like a charm. So the best way to get this and to sideload right now is Google Play Store. So I'm going to show it how to use the Google Play Store to install it and how to activate it. So if you're watching this and you're in our support group and you have maybe a Formula device, do yourself a favor, get a Gmail account and connect to the Google Play Store. Because mainly if you have a market on a device, some of those applications, you don't know how old or what version they're running. That's what makes the Google Play Store it's a valuable asset because all the developers have to keep their apps up to date. Fair enough? So we're going to go right to the Google Play Store. I'm not going to show you how to connect to the Google Play Store. It's self-explanatory. I am connected. Once you're connected, you should see this, okay? Now, this has thousands of applications that are free to use, and use your discretion because some of them will have to pay to get the content, but there's a lot of free good stuff here. All right. So I'm going to go to search, and then I'm just going to go to private. How about PIA? PIA. Maybe that'll work. No, that's not working. So there it is right there. PIA. I'm going to get rid of that. Private internet access, you're going to press OK, and you're going to install it. Now, the reason why I want people to start using this is because I became an affiliate, but I don't make money off of it. Let me explain. They have a refer a friend option where I can get your email address, your name, first and last name, and your email. And I can have them send you a 30-day free trial of private internet access. If you purchase it after the 30 days, great, and use it for 30 days after you purchase it, they will give me 30 days on my account. So far, I've had 8 people do that, and it just extends my internet access. So since I'm on YouTube and maybe you don't have one and you're watching this video, I'll give you some instructions at the end of the video on how to take advantage of it. It's a really good deal. And yeah, I don't make an affiliate money, but I don't really care in this aspect because I'd rather you have something that is really good. And if they give me time for referring you, that's awesome. So once you have this, you want to go ahead and open it. And I'm not going to go into any detail on how to use it, but you're going to click on login. And then you should get your code that they're going to send to your email. So go ahead and make sure you have that. And everything is case sensitive here, so make sure you understand that. And they're very big on privacy, for sure. There's my username. Now I'm going to go down here. One thing about the password, it's only going to be dots. Trust me, you're not going to be able to see anything other than the dot. So make sure you don't have an eyeball. Make sure you do it correctly because it is case sensitive. So take your time or you'll be doing it over and getting mad like I had to the last time. So, okay. And then All right, so what we're going to do is press OK, highlight OK here, and you're going to accept to get notified. And you can go down to the optimal location. You can automatically click on it and it'll choose an optimal location. So we'll do that now. It chose California because I'm near there. But if you go over to the location here, like over here, you can choose whatever you like. You have Bahamas, Venezuela, Malta, US, Alaska, Mexico. All this is here. You could choose whatever you like. All right. So it makes no difference, but it's easy to use just in case you're getting blocked or throttled or you're getting errors. The first place is to check if you're getting errors on whether you're streaming your box and using internet TV, please check your network first. Because 99% of the problems come from your personal network, not a vendor that you're using, not anything. Your network has to be clear, concise, and easy to use. You don't need the fastest speed, but I won't go into that, but you need to check your network first. But this is how you load this 100% of the time, and it's very, very easy. Now I am secure and safe to download anything. I have my privacy, and that's how you install PIA or private internet access. So now that I've done the video correctly, let me give you the instructions. At the end of this video, there's going to be in the description, you're going to text your first and last name and your email address, the real one, the right one, to the number in the description. We will then send you an email. You'll get an email from the company that you've been referred as a friend. You'll have to install the app to your device, pick a plan from their website or however to do it. Probably got to put your credit card down to secure it, but they're not going to charge you. Use it for the full free 30 days. If you like it, purchase a plan. When you use it for 30 days after you purchase, they will redeem 30 days to me. They will give it me 30 days for free. So I want to spread the love because it's called Refer a Friend, and you can take advantage of it. I'm going to go ahead and close out the video. Wishing you guys the best, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.